Hey B2B founders and marketers, welcome to my channel. Enjoy a cup of coffee with me. Did you know that 48% of revenue teams already use AI and 24% more plan to in 2025? I'm Tony from the Scaling Founder and the owner of Conic Digital, where I have helped US and UK businesses cut sales cycles by 37%. So whether you are a startup on a tight budget or a $5 to $10 million firm scaling fast, AI employees are game changers. And today I'm answering 20 burning questions about AI employees to supercharge your business growth. Let's explore. So subscribe and hit the bell and the like button to join the journey. From automating lead gen to slashing support costs, AI employees are transforming US and UK B2B markets. I'll cover budget-friendly tips for startups, scaling strategies for mid-market firms, and compliance for regulated industries. Stick around for a free AI employee starter kit at the end. So question 1. How can startups use AI employees on a tight budget? Startups, listen up. You don't need deep pockets for AI. Use free tools or low-cost tools like ChatGPT for basic information. Think drafting emails or analyzing leads. For example, a 500K London startup automated 20% of its outreach with Zapier and ChatGPT, saving 10 hours weekly. Pair with a free CRM like HubSpot to track results. A budget tip: start small, test, then scale. Question number 2. What's the ROI of AI employees for $5 to $10 million B2B firms? For mid-market firms, AI employees shine in high-volume tasks. A $7 million Austin SaaS firm used Gong's AI to analyze sales calls, boosting close rates by 15%. That is $1 million in revenue for a 50K investment. So calculate ROI by comparing time saved and revenue gained against setup cost. I'll share a free ROI calculator later in the series. Question number 3. How do US, UK startups integrate AI employees with a free CRM? Integration is easier than you think. Tools like Apollo IO integrate with HubSpot's free CRM via Zapier. Our own tool, Scaling Founder CRM, integrates seamlessly with these tools. So a $1 million Manchester startup synced AI-driven leads data to HubSpot, automating follow-ups and saving 5 hours weekly. Here's a pro tip. Use built-in Zapier templates to avoid coding. Question number 4. What tasks should early-stage firms automate with AI? So focus on repetitive tasks: lead qualification, email personalization, and data entry. A 200K Boston startup used AI to qualify 100 leads weekly, freeing founders to focus on strategy. Start with one task, measure impact, then expand to support or analytics. Now, question number 5. Which AI employee tools are best for startups in 2025? For startups, try Apollo for lead generation and Drift for chatbots. Both have affordable plans, as does my own Scaling Founder CRM. A $1 million Seattle startup used Drift to handle 30% of website inquiries, doubling conversion. Mid-market, They used Gong or Salesforce Einstein to scale and analyze. Check my toolkit for full recs. Question number 6. How do $5 to $10 million firms introduce AI without team disruption? This uptake by the team is critical for success and saving costs. So change management is key. A $6 million leads SaaS firm trained staff on AI tools over 4 weeks, starting with pilots. Communicate benefits like less grunt work and involve teams in tool selection. Here's a pro tip. Appoint an AI champion to ease adoption. Question number 7. How to ensure GDPR CCPA compliance with AI employees. In the UK, GDPR demands data transparency. In the US, CCPA requires opt-outs. Use AI tools with built-in compliance like Salesforce Einstein, like Scaling Founder CRM. A London agency avoided fines by auditing AI data flows monthly. Always get legal advice um, for regulated sectors. Question number 8. How do AI employees enhance lead scoring for SMEs? So AI predicts leads qualities using behavior data. A $3 million Bristol SME used Apollo AI's AI to score leads, prioritizing 20% that converted 3 times faster. Integrate with your CRM to automate scoring and focus sales on hot leads. Our Scaling Founder CRM integrates with smart leads and then also score the lead. And then from that scoring, you can actually fire off different kinds of automations and messaging. And that has changed the game. So, question number 9. How can startups use AI for hyper personalized outreach? And in our busy internet world, and with all the spam and nonsense out there, this hyper personalization is a superpower. So AI crafts tailored emails based on lead data. A $1 million San Francisco startup used Pasado for to personalize 500 emails daily, boosting replies by 25%. Apollo AI training will tell you they've got a term called Show Me You Know Me, and that is boosting open rates. We're getting 37-40% open rates because of this. So start with free tools like ChatGPT for small batches, then scale to paid platforms. Right, question number 10. We're halfway, almost there. Yeah, stick with me. What's the cost benefits of AI employees versus human SDRs? AI costs less upfront, say 5K a year for Apollo IO versus 60,000K for an SDR. But humans excel at complex deals. So, a $5 million Chicago firm used AI for initial outreach, saving 50% on cost, while SDRs closed high value leads. Hybrid is best for mid market. You want to use the AI to do the grunt work. You want to use your SDRs to close the big deals. And with proper AI in place, you will get to those big deals. Question 11. How do $5 to $10 million firms scale AI employee usage? So start with one department like sales, then expand. An $8 million Denver SaaS firm scaled AI from lead gen to support, cutting cost by 30%. So, because with AI, you've got a knowledge base that you put in, and AI at the end of the day can answer support questions better than a low-level employee, and you can free your employees up for more important human-facing tasks. So use metrics like time saved to justify expansion and train teams incrementally. Question number 12, how to train AI employees for early stage B2B needs. So you need to feed AI clean data like CRM leads, and then you tweak your outputs. In our Scaling Founder CRM, you can import your your web address, your URL, and the AI will scan your website and start supporting and reaching out according to the information in your website. And from there, you can tune and fine tune. So a 500K Edinburgh startup trained ChatGPT on 100 leads to refine outreach, improving accuracy by 40%. Use small data sets initially to avoid overload. Okay, so question 13, how do AI employees improve customer support for startups? AI chatbots handle 80% of basic queries. A $1 million Austin startup used Drift to resolve 200 tickets monthly, freeing staff for complex issues. Start with free bots like Tidio and upgrade as you grow. The big thing here is how fast AI can handle the support within seconds. And your AI employees can often handle 20, 30, 100 calls at the same time, which you would need a huge support office for. They can handle with one AI employee. So question number 14, what's the role of AI employees in predictive analytics? So AI can forecast leads' behavior from their history, their past behavior, their browser history, and so forth. A $5 million Manchester firm used Salesforce Einstein to predict 30% of conversions, boosting ROI by 20%. SMEs can use Apollo AI for basic analytics and for similar insights. Question 15, how do $15 million firms align AI employees with RevOps? RevOps unifies revenue teams. A $7 million Boston firm used AI to automate lead handoffs, align sales, marketing 25% faster. So integrate AI with CRMs like HubSpot to streamline RevOps. Question number 16, how to measure AI employee impact for small businesses. Track time saved, leads generated, and revenue lift. A $2 million Bristol SME measured a 15% lead increase with Apollo AI. Use free analytics in HubSpot to start and then scale to paid tools. Question number 17. How do startups use AI employees for omni-channel marketing? So AI syncs emails, social, and chat, and engagement with all of these channels. So in my CRM, we can engage, answer all of these channels depending on trigger words. So you can actually you keep that part very AI employee focused. A $1 million Seattle startup used HubSpot's AI to coordinate campaigns, lifting engagement by 30%. Start with free tools like MailChimp for omni-channel basics. Then you grow. So start small, small batches, free tools, and grow from there. Okay, so question number 18. What's the future of AI employees for US and UK SMEs? So here's the facts. By 2027, 80% of customer interaction will be AI driven. US, UK SMEs will use AI for analytics, support, and personalization. Stay ahead by testing tools like the Scaling Founder CRM and Apollo IO today. Get ahead of this curve. And then question 19, how to combine AI employees with human creativity for leads. So what can you do? Use AI for data tasks, human for strategy, and people interaction. A $5 million London SaaS firm paired AI lead scoring with creative campaigns, boosting conversion 20%. Balance is key. Let AI handle the grunt work. And we've made it. Question 20. How do $5 to $10 million firms calculate AI employee ROI? So basically, you need to compare cost. Say you spend 10K on smart leads for gains of 100K in new leads. And you get the gains because the leads are targeted and enriched and scored. So a $6 million Chicago firm tracked 3 times the lead growth with AI. That's a big jump. Use my free ROI calculator to crunch the numbers. I'll send the link in the actual, well, I'll leave you the link in the description. So that's 20 ways AI employees can transform your US, UK B2B growth. From startups saving time to $5 to $10 million firms scaling fast, there's a strategy for you. So want more? Check out my playlist for lead gen scoring and more. Grab my free AI employee starter kit. Link is in the description at the bottom and kickstart your journey. So subscribe, hit the bell, and comment. Tell me, what's your top AI tool? I'd love to hear, and I'll answer all the comments personally. Let's keep scaling together. Thanks for watching The Scaling Founder. Next up is the lead scoring on Tuesday. I'll see you there and keep on scaling.